Ladies and gentlemen, this is breaking news. Prime Minister Boris Johnson tests positive for coronavirus, COVID-19. Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive for coronavirus, the government has said. Mr. Johnson has mild symptoms and will self-isolate in Downing Street after being tested at number 10 by NHS staff. He was tested for coronavirus on the personal advice of England's chief medical officer, Professor Chris Whitty, a statement said. He will still be in charge of the government's handling of the crisis, the statement added. In a tweet, Mr. Johnson said, "Over the last 24 hours, I have developed mild symptoms and tested positive for coronavirus. I am now self-isolating, but I will continue to lead the government's response via video conference as we fight this virus. Together, we will beat this." Mr. Johnson was last seen on Thursday night as he clapped outside number 10 as a part of a nationwide gesture to thank NHS staff. There are more than 11,600 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the UK, and 578 people so far have died. It comes after the Prince of Wales, who also tested positive for the virus earlier this week. Prince Charles, who is 71 years old, is to be displaying mild symptoms, but otherwise remains in good health, a spokesman said.
Hi folks, I want to bring you up to speed with something that's happening today, which is that I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus. That's to say a temperature and a persistent cough. And on the advice of the chief medical officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive. So I am working from home, I'm self-isolating, and that's entirely the right thing to do. But be in no doubt that I can continue, thanks to the wizardry of modern technology, to communicate with all my top team to lead the national fight back against coronavirus. And I want to thank everybody who's involved. I want to thank, of course, above all, our amazing NHS staff. It was very moving last night to join in that national clap for the NHS. But it's not just the NHS, it's our police, our social care workers, teachers, everybody who works in schools, the DWP staff, an amazing national effort by the public services, but also by every member of the British public who's volunteering. Incredible response. 600,000 people have volunteered to take part in a great national effort to protect people from the consequences of coronavirus. I want to thank you. I want to thank everybody who's working to keep our country going through this epidemic. And we will get through it. And the way we're going to get through it is, of course, by applying the measures that you'll have heard so much about. And the more effectively we all comply with those measures, the faster our country will come through this epidemic and the faster we'll bounce back. So thank you to everybody who's doing what I'm doing, working from home to stop the spread of the virus from household to household. That's the way we're going to win. We're going to beat it, and we're going to beat it together. Stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives.
Wow. This is crazy. I was actually looking at a post that the Minister of Wellness, Nathaniel Jordan, put on his Facebook page this morning. And this COVID-19 is getting serious, folks. The Minister of Wellness, Nathaniel Jordan, said, "Even the process of typing out my April 5th health message on the coronavirus brought me to tears. May God have mercy on us all." Ladies and gentlemen, please like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know what you think. hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Salama, salama.